Namaskar. In meditation, we take the help of autosuggestion. Autosuggestion is the practice of repeating your mantra with the proper meaning behind it. And through this autosuggestion, the constant practice of autosuggestion, it transforms our crude thinking into subtle thinking. You've often heard on our channel we say, as you think, so you become. So this autosuggestion of the mantra repetition brings about the main progress in sadhana. Sadhana means that effort to complete ourselves as ideal human beings. But of course, we can't meditate 24 hours a day. So in order to maintain that pure flow throughout the day, we need the help of outer suggestion. And outer suggestion is like examples like you're a good person and you're doing really well. You're trying so hard to follow an upright life. So in this way, outer suggestion, it creates within us a flow of inspiration and positivity. Good and bad is fighting within us all the time. It's that constant struggle between good and evil is within all human beings in our society and in all human beings. And when the good wins over the bad, we develop a clear conscience and we are able to have a good discrimination between what's right and what's wrong. So the outer suggestion is very much benefited. We get a lot of outer suggestion when we have satsanga, good company. And that constant flow of people together, good company means many people together, spiritually minded people. And there's a sharing of subtle ideas. We get immersed in positive thoughts and spiritual topics. So this is so helpful for our spiritual progress. So with this end in view, we're inviting you to our third online meditation steps retreat primarily for our North American subscribers. It will be the weekend of March 19 to 21. So in that retreat, we'll have 4 of our teachers, and we'll cover new topics which will help you to apply the spiritual practices that we teach in our channel in your daily life. And there will be a lot of chance for group sharing, group interaction, that type of satsanga, so that we feel very much encouraged by others that are also trying, like ourselves, to move along the spiritual path. So please click on the link below the video and hope to see you there so we can all upgrade our spiritual wave together as we move along the path to divine bliss. Thank you. Namaskar.